What are those? These are redhead. These are my winter boots. Amazing. It's got a waterproof, not only waterproof, but insulation of 400 grams by Thinsulate. But that's not what's important. What's important right now is I'm gonna make some wonderful brats, and I'm gonna use my I call it X grill slash fire pit right over here. There's a video prior to this one. I talked about it briefly. I did forget that it's 13 inches tall, 13 inches wide, and 17 in length. So definitely very versatile, very thin, very nice to pack. And so I got wood going here. Oh my gosh, you guys, I tried to start a fire. It took forever. My wood's we've had melting, weather. So my wood's nice and wet. So I had to get some charcoal. It's almost ready. Let's see, some of you want to know the temperature here in the Midwest. Focus. Here we go. There you go. That's the weather right now. What else? Cold. Okay, so my name's Nando, and I like to do just small content, just quick videos on my grills, fire pits. I want to encourage people to go outside, even if it's cold. Who cares? So especially now in the winter time, it's so easy here in the Midwest just to get caught up and stay indoors. But it's just get out there, you guys. So that's what my channel's about. Just talk briefly about some of my items that I've acquired through the years. So yeah, let's get going. All right, set you up right here real quick. Okay, I'm going to start with some onions. So right here's a pro tip, guys. Cut it ahead of time, put some salt on it and mix it up, and then put some napkins, paper towels underneath it, soak up all that water. It makes it so much easier to cook. So just hitting the pan right here right now. Needs a little something though, huh? All right, hold on. Oh God, the hell was that came out of my mouth? Just kidding, it's coconut oil. If I could get coconut oil coming out of me, that'd be amazing. Okay, let's see here. Oh yeah, it's heating nicely here. I just started using this stuff. It's amazing. So here's the thing. Your food's not gonna smell like coconut. I think that's why people are kind of afraid to use it. Just like if you use avocado oil, right? It does not smell like, look at it. It does not smell like avocado oil. Hello. All right. So let's throw this in here. Yeah, look at all that water, you guys. Okay. Whew. I mean, this thing is soaked. So this is like the third paper towel maybe that I've used. So, okay. So while that's cooking over here, I'm gonna show you. So I'm sure I mentioned before, I was born and raised in Spain, Barcelona. So moved here when I was 11 back in 1985. So that tells you my age. And so one thing my dad in Spain used to take me to the bar in the morning on the way to work. Go figure. And he would order a carajillo. So a carajillo is simple coffee or espresso, and then with a shot of whiskey or brandy. So I'm using JMO triple distilled Irish whiskey. I'm not sponsored by them, but I wish I was. And so here we go. So shot, more or less. Yeah, give it a little swirl. Oh. All right, here you go. You guys want to see my reaction? Wow, so good. Hits the spot. I once was cold, but now I'm warm. Warm. Yeah, I apologize for the lighting. It's getting dark on me quick. I tried to get a nice fire going, but yeah, just all my wood is just pretty wet. So I was having a really hard time lighting this up, and then I decided not to put any more wood, and I'm gonna have to buy some because I want to make more videos and just leave that wood in the garage while this stuff dries and stuff. So, but I was gonna say, yeah, I mean, I ended up having to, break out some charcoal. So it is what it is. Wood and charcoal works, right? So when I'm making brats, I like to multitask, and look at this, you guys. Not nice. Jalapeno and cheddar cheese bratwurst. I'm gonna give them a nice tan while the onions are cooking. So there we go. So it's gonna let them get a nice tan, and then I'm gonna cook it inside the container. What's happening over there? So yeah, I definitely misjudged amount of charcoal and the weather. It's my first time really this year, cooking or grilling. Excuse me. In the cold. So I'm a huge fan though. I love grilling. Any time of the year. Even if it's raining, I don't mind going to the park. We have a nice forest park, which I will make some videos here. It's beautiful. I did one before, a video, and I think I accidentally deleted the video. So let's check on this bratwurst real quick. All right. Oh yeah, here we go. Look at that, you guys. Like I said, just all I'm doing right now is just giving it a tan. Let's move this onions over here. Yeah. Okay. And as soon as that charcoal is done, I'm gonna put it right over here. Oops. Right in there. So yeah, shoot. Yeah, these onions, if I just use the charcoal that I have now, we'll be here till freaking midnight cooking that. So all right. We get some color. Nice little tan, I always say. If it's just on one side, so what? It's all good. It's all good. I just want a little tan. What I love about grilling also, like I said, being outdoors, it just gives you, nothing's gonna go according to plan. Nothing's gonna go, you know, if you see a perfect video of camping, it's horse shit. Yeah, I said it, because there's no such thing, you know. And that's what I love about camping or even grilling. You know, adapt and overcome. You know, there's always gonna be something that comes up, and for me, obviously, is running out of charcoal. This is pretty much ready. Good enough for me. Just throw that in there. Get in there, my son. All right. Oh, look at that, guys. That looks so good already. You come with me too. All right, so spread that in there. Just like that. Okay, so next step, now that we have our tan, just going to put it in here, right, the nice heat. Here we go. Okay, I'm gonna add some sauerkraut, you guys. Let's see if I can do this. It's gonna do. There you go. Set you down for a sec. Whew. You know what? This is silly. All right, I'm gonna use the whole shebang. Now that I have more room, might as well. Now I'm gonna add any beer you want. In this case, I'm just gonna use some of this Kentucky Vanilla Barrel Cream Ale. Once again, I don't know if I'm supposed to say that I'm not sponsored by them, but I'm not. This is great beer. Just as great as my apple pineapple. can opener. Here you go. Oh, so good, you guys. So good. All right, just a little bit. The rest is going to go in my belly. Oh my gosh. It's got, I mean, you taste the vanilla right away. So it's really, really nice. Doesn't have an aftertaste. There's another one. Gosh, darn it, I cannot think of the name of it, but there's another one that I had before, and it had the vanilla taste when you first drink it, but the aftertaste was awful, awful. So, but this one, Kentucky Vanilla Barrel, please, please get it. It's amazing. You'll thank me. All right, so this is going. Now I got nice heat going finally. So I'll bring you guys back when the brats are done. So I'm just gonna let this boil for a few minutes. Look at that glow of that charcoal. Look at the glow of that charcoal. Just love it. So cool. It's mesmerizing. So yes, simple recipe, you guys and girls. All I did is get your favorite bratwurst, um, some onions. I used 2 onions chopped, and then what else? That sauerkraut. Just mix it all in. Put your favorite beer. That's the only one I had on hand. I can't. That's weird because I always have, I don't know, tons of beer laying around, but I guess I need to go run to the store, get more beer. Oh, life is hard. Oh, it's bubbling. Love that. It's coming along. Nice. All right, you guys. The moment of truth soon here. So, cannot wait. Take a bite. Starving. All right, I'm going to get one ready here. There we go. God, it's so hot. Okay. Some onions. I'm going to bring you to the light. I'm going to use this jalapeno mustard. I love any type of mustard. And so, yeah, let's see. Here we go. All right. Hope you can see me here. Look at this bad boy. It's amazing, huh? All right, here we go. Mmm. Yeah. Perfectly cooked. Mm. Look at the juices. Yeah, amazing. And I taste the vanilla barrel. It's a hint. So it's great. Mm. Look at that. Just oozing goodness here. But on that note, you guys, wow, so good. Go out there, have fun, and for real, like, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Anyways, thank you for having me in your house or wherever you're at watching this. Have a great day. More to come.